My name is Sharon Blackmore, and I'd like to talk to you about how you can adjust the height of your pickup bar on your gamma quilting machine. One of the things I love about having the access or the ability to move this bar up and down is because I can quilt very, very large quilts and not run out of space because of the curvature at the back of the machine. All of the fullness and the thickness of the quilt, every time you advance it and roll it up onto this bar, will all be sitting on this bar, and you can raise the height to accommodate that fullness. Here's how it works. When I try to slide my hand underneath the pickup bar, right in that spot there, if I can't slide my hand under there, it may be that this bar is too low. In order to change the height of your pickup bar, this handle on the end here turns. So I'm just going to give it a couple of turns and see where we're at. Now, as you can see, I can slide my hand with nice clearance right underneath that pickup bar. That means I'm not going to have any heavy drag while I'm quilting, so I'll have lots of freedom of movement, as well as my stitches, I will have nice even stitches without any tension problems. You don't want too much space between the pickup bar and the machine. You just want enough room to slide your hand nicely underneath. If the bar is too high, your quilt will often bounce and it can cause some problems with your stitch quality. So just enough clearance to get your hand nicely underneath there. So don't forget, every time you advance your quilt, to just be mindful of the height of your pickup bar.